Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you five-star hotel defrost chiller. Defrost chiller, that means where we keeps our frozen item for defrost. Right. So I would like to let you know, if you are keeping anything, any item inside the defrost chiller, so it should be around 72 hours, right? 72 hours, that means 3 days. So defrost should be 3 days. So let's start. I'm gonna show you. You can see guys, it's our defrost chicken breast. So make sure you have to put in the top this is strainer, then in the bottom all the blood it will strain and it will be here, so we can get our chicken without blood. So here as well, as you can see, same these things we have to follow. So you can see here it's a lamb, right? So we also keep same like this. So you can see here is a red meat also same like this. So you can see guys, it's our defrost chiller. You can see here as well, as and here also there is a strainer. You can see strainer, all the blood it will be submit here in the container. So you can see it's our fish section. So you can see strainer, then container, all the water of fish it's submitting here. Okay, so this is the process which you have to follow when you are defrosting anything in a five-star hotel. So every five-star hotel they follow these things. So it's our marinated lamb, it's already done, no need to defrost, it's already defrost. So this is the process guys.